The mud volcano, Yellowstone.
Una passeggiata in quella piccola pozzanghera di fango.
If only you guys could smell the stench. Oh, check that out. Oh, the smell's horrible. But hey, we got trees growing over there. Ah, and grass. Let's go see what's at the top of this hill.
Do you see that backslide? Oh, that's awesome.
Nice peace sign.
Oh, you're the perfect size for it too.
Lady gave me a peace sign. Oh my goodness, I hear that. Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh my goodness. What a trip. I hope you guys are still watching. Bring you into my adventure. We're at Dragon's Mouth Spring. An unknown park visitor named this feature around 1912. Wow. Check it out.
I thought it went around.
The stench is so... Oh. Dang. That smell is something else. I'm glad you guys watching do not have to smell this. Enjoying the experience. Let's go see what's over here. There's more geysers. There are people here from all over the world. Any day of the week, it's busy. Especially in summer. Wow. Check that out. Does anybody know how this is created or why it's here? I'm really curious to know. Wow. Thank you for watching.